My channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 3 hands-on exercise assessment medical. Basically, this is the third chapter of Excel section of my IT course. I will do this assignment step by step in this video, and if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, like Excel assignments, Word assignments, or PowerPoint assignments, and finally the Access assignment that are included in this course, you can hear me. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp and email is given in the description of this video as well. You can contact me through WhatsApp or email, and you can hear me to do your assignments or your courses. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments and programming assignments as well. So I have been doing courses for students since 2015, and I have been producing A grade for students. And if you want to get A grade in this course or in any other course, you can hire me and I will be available for you, and you can hire me for that. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step so that you can get help through this video. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my videos as well. So let's move to instruction file and start solving this assignment. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 3 hands-on exercise assessment medical. So this is the third chapter of Excel section of my IT course. In start, project description is given, but we have nothing to do with project description, but you can get an idea by reading this project description. We will directly move to step number 1, that is the main part of this assignment, that is the instruction. So let's move to step number 1. So in step number 1, it is saying that start Excel, download and open the file named Exp19 Excel chapter 3 hands-on exercise assessment medical. So basically you are supposed to download the Excel file first that I have shown you. I have already downloaded this one, and this have 3 worksheet. So we are supposed to download this workbook from our My IT Lab dashboard, and we will solve this assignment in that Excel workbook. So let's move to step number 2, because step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel file. So step number 2 is you want to start by creating a cluster column chart. You will focus on the top 4 job titles, they employ the most people. So it is saying that in the top 4 sheet, use the insert tab to create a cluster column chart for the range A6 up to D10. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A16. Set 3.5 height and 5.7 width for the chart. So first of all, we are supposed to insert a cluster column chart, and for this cluster column chart, a data range is given, that is A6 up to D10, and then we will cut this chart and we will paste this in A16. Then we are supposed to change the height and width of the chart. So first of all, I will select this range, that is the data range for this cluster column chart. So top 4 worksheet is here. So select this range. You can see that we have selected the data range. Now we are supposed to insert a cluster column chart. So click on the insert tab and we will simply click on the recommended chart. So clustered bar chart, stacked bar chart, clustered column chart. So we are supposed to insert a clustered column chart. So simply click OK. So now we are supposed to cut this chart and paste it in cell A16. So simply paste this one, and now we will change the width and height of the chart. Height should be 3.5 and width should be 5.7. So I will simply click on the format tab and we will change the height to 3.5 and width 5.7. And you can see that We inserted a cluster column chart, then we cut the chart and pasted it in A16, then I change the height and width of the chart. So this is all about step number 2. Let's move to next step, that is step number 3. So in step number 3, it is saying that next you want to create a recommended chart to depict the number of people for each job and the estimated number of new people by 2026. Because the top 2 jobs have significantly more people than other jobs, you will focus on other 6 jobs. So it is saying that display the medical job sheet. Use the recommended chart feature to create a recommended clustered bar chart for the ranges A6 up to B13 and D6 up to D13. Change it to stacked bar chart and move it to a chart sheet named bar chart. So now we are supposed to insert a clustered bar chart using the 2 data ranges that are given, that is A6 up to B13 and D6 up to D13. Then we are supposed to change the type of the chart to the stacked bar chart, and then we move the chart to a new sheet, that is the bar chart sheet. So first of all, we will select these 2 ranges. First one is A6 up to B13. So let's select this one. So we will move to medical job sheet because it is saying that we are supposed to display the medical job sheet. So first select the first range. So you can see that I have selected the first range. Now we are supposed to select the second range, that is D6 up to D13. So press and hold the control button and select D6 up to D13. So we have selected these 2 ranges and now we are supposed to insert a clustered bar chart. So I will simply click on the insert tab and click on the recommended charts. And you can see at top of this insert chart box that is showing the cluster bar chart, and we are supposed to insert this cluster bar chart. So simply click OK. So we have inserted the cluster bar chart. So after inserting the cluster bar chart, instruction is saying that we are supposed to change the type of the chart to stacked bar chart. You can see that it is saying change it to stacked bar chart. So we will simply click on the change chart type. So we are supposed to select the stacked bar chart. That is the second one in the bar chart option. This is the bar chart and the second one in the stacked bar chart. So I will simply select the stacked bar chart and then we will click OK, and stacked bar chart will be inserted or the cluster column chart will be changed to stacked bar chart. So simply click OK button and you can see the chart type has been changed to stacked bar chart. So after that, it is saying that move the chart to a new sheet, that name is bar chart. So now we are supposed to move this chart to a new sheet. So simply click on the move chart and now we are supposed to select a new sheet and we will type the sheet name, that is the bar chart. So we have moved the chart to a new sheet, that is the bar chart. So that is all about step number 3, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. I am solving each and everything in this assignment. You can solve your assignment by watching or following this video. So let's move to next step, that is step number 4 now. So step number 4 is all but medical transcript will see growth before 2026. You want to see what percentage each job contributes to the total job pool for this group of medical professionals. So it is saying that display the new job sheet, select range A1 up to B9 and use quick analysis to create a pie chart. Move the pie chart to a new sheet called pie chart. So basically we are supposed to insert a pie chart now. And for this pie chart, we have a data range that is A1 up to B9 from the new job sheet. So first of all, we will select this data range. After selecting this data range, we will use the quick analysis tool to create this pie chart. So let me select this data range that is A1 up to B9 in the new job sheet. So we will move to new job sheet and I will select this data range here, and you can see that I have selected this data range, and this is the quick analysis. You can see that this is the quick analysis, and we are supposed to insert a chart. We are supposed to insert a chart, and it should be a pie chart, because instruction is saying that we are supposed to insert a pie chart here. So simply click on the pie chart, and after inserting the pie chart, we are supposed to move this pie chart to a new sheet. Their name should be pie chart. So simply click on the move chart and select new sheet and select pie chart. So we inserted a pie chart based on a data range that is based on a data range from the new job sheet. So that is all about step number 4. So we have completed 4 steps so far, and now let me move to new step. Next step, that is step number 5. Total steps in this assignment are 19, and I am doing step number 5 for you now. The last chart you want to create will depict the number of new jobs and the related percentage increase. With the new job sheet active, select the range A1 up to C9 and create a combo chart with the clustered column line on the secondary axis. Move the combo chart to a new sheet called combo chart. So basically we are supposed to create a combo chart now that is based on a data range that is A1 up to C9, and this data range we will select from the new job worksheet. So we will select this data range, and this data range will be from new job worksheet. So I will simply select the data range that is A1 up to C9, A1 up to C9, and now we are supposed to insert a clustered column, combo chart line on secondary axis. So simply click on the insert tab, and let me look for the combo chart. I think this is the combo chart. Okay, so go to the chart tab and click this one. This one is showing the insert combo chart. Click this arrow, clustered column line chart, and this is the clustered column line on the secondary axis. So this is the required chart that we are supposed to create, because instruction is saying that we are supposed to create a clustered column combo chart line on the secondary axis. So simply create this one. So we have created a combo chart line on the secondary axis. Now we are supposed to move this chart to a new sheet that is the combo chart. So simply click on the move chart and select the new sheet, and now we are supposed to move this to combo chart. So we have moved the chart to a new sheet that is a combo chart. So that is all about step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps so far, and now we're going to do next step, that is 6. So we have inserted bar chart, then pie chart, and then the combo chart. So let me move to next step, that is step number 6 now. We have completed 5 steps so far. So this is step number 6 now. So step number 6 is saying that it is important to replace the default chart titles with the actual descriptive chart titles. So now we are supposed to change the chart titles. Basically, we are going to customize these charts that we have inserted in the previous steps. So first one, it is saying that with the combo chart selected, type new medical jobs by 2026 for the chart title. Apply black text font color to the chart title. So we will go to the combo chart sheet. So this is the combo chart sheet and we are supposed to change this chart title to new medical jobs by 2026. So we will type new medical jobs by 2026. You can see that new medical jobs by 2026, new medical jobs by 2026, and we are supposed to change the font color of this chart title to black text one font color. So I will change the font color to black text one. So this one is the first one in step number 6. So next one is select the pie chart, type new medical jobs by 2026. For the chart title, apply black text one font color and 18-point font size to the chart title. New medical jobs by 2026 for the pie chart. So this is the pie chart and I will type new medical jobs by 2026 and I will change the font color to black text one and font size should be 18. So we are done with this one. Then next one is this one. That one is the select the bar chart, type projected number of medical jobs by 2026 as the chart title. Format the chart title in black text one and 18-point font size. So we will go to the bar charts now and projected number of medical jobs. So I will change this to projected number of medical jobs by 2026 and now we are supposed to make it black text font color and 18-point font size. So projected number of medical jobs by 2026. And the last one is select the column chart, type top 4 medical jobs 2016 and 2026. Format the chart title in black text one font color. So this is the column chart and we are supposed to change the title to top 4 medical jobs. Top 4 medical jobs 2016 and 2026 and we are supposed to make it black text font color. So I will change it to black text font color. So we are done with step number 6 where we change the title of the chart for all the charts that we have created. So we are done with this step and now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 7 now. So I am showing you this assignment step by step. And you can complete this assignment by seeing my video. So step number 7 is you want to add a value axis factor to clarify the column chart. With the column chart selected, add a primary value axis, title and type number of jobs as a axis title. So this is the column chart and we are supposed to add the primary value axis. Primary value axis title. So this is axis title and primary vertical. And we are supposed to type the number of jobs. So we will type number of jobs here. Number of jobs here. So you can see the number of jobs is the value axis title. So we are done with step number 7 now. So I have shown you 7 complete steps in this video. And I think now you can complete this assignment on your own. But I am going to show you the final version for this assignment. And I am going to give you an overview for the remaining steps so that you can complete this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment, if you want me to do this complete course for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID and I will do this assignment for you. So now let me give you an overview for these remaining steps from step 8 to 18. That are the remaining steps so that you can complete this assignment or you can hire me to do this assignment. So let me show you. So this will be the final form of this column chart after applying the remaining steps, and I have shown you how you can add this primary value axis title, that is number of job, and when you will do the formatting according to the remaining steps, then you will get a final form like this one. So this will be the final form of this column chart on the top 4 worksheet that have a column chart, that is the top 4 medical jobs 2016 and 2026. So after that we have a bar sheet that have a final form, that is the final version of this bar chart. The title is projected number of medical jobs with 2026. So you can have a look to this one as well. So this is the final form of this bar chart. So I have shown you column chart and then bar chart. So this will be the final form of the medical job sheet having the spark line in it. You can see these are the spark lines, and that you will create or you will add in the coming steps in this assignment. So next one is the pie chart. So this is the final form of new medical jobs by 2026 pie chart, and medical assistant is 38%, that is exploded as well. So these are the showing the professions for these jobs. Medical assistant, like dental assistant, massage therapist, this one. So these are the jobs title, you can see that, and this is the final form of this pie chart. Then we have a combo chart, line on the secondary axis. So this is the showing line on the secondary axis. This is the combo chart, and this is the final version of this combo chart. So I have shown you how you can create this combo chart, but this is the final form of this combo chart that you will customize this chart in the coming steps that are left. But I have shown you 8 steps, but when you will apply the remaining instruction to this pie chart, when you will customize this combo chart, then you will get a final form or final version of this combo chart like this one. And this is the new job worksheet that have a data only. So I have shown you this complete assignment, but if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, you can contact me and I will be here for you. I will do this course for you. I will produce A grade for you. I request you to subscribe to my channel. I request you to like my video because I am creating this video for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.